to solve this kind of question, what you need to do is, first of all, get rid of the negative power. So we'll have 25 over 16 to the power a half. So the first step that I did was to get rid of the negative power by swapping the numerator and denominator. Remember, we learned that in negative indices. Now this is the same as, now what we have here is everything to power a half. So that means 25 to power a half and 16 to power a half. Everything in the bracket to power a half. So the numerator to power a half, the denominator to power a half. And then we can carry on and say 25 is 5 squared power a half over 16 is 2 to power 4 power a half. Then you can carry on. I won't be running out of space here. Just move down a little bit. If I can just move there. Good. That will be good. Okay. So this will be equal to 5 to power 2 multiplied by a half over 2 to power 4 multiplied by a half. Now, if you look at this question here, a half of 2 is 1, so that will just be 5 over, I think I'm running out of space, so I'll just try and write it here. Create more space. So that will be equal to 5 to power 1, because a half of 2 is 1, over 2 to the power of 2, because a half of 4 is 2, so 2 to the power of 2, which will be equal to 5 over 4. Okay, next question. The first step is, again, to swap the numerator and denominator. That will help us to get rid of the negative power. So this will be equal to 49 over 100 to power 3 over 2. And everything in the bracket is the power of 3 over 2. So that means you have 49 to power 3 over 2 over 100 to power 3 over 2, which will be equal to 7 squared to power 3 over 2 over 10 squared to power 3 over 2, which is 7 to power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 over 10 to power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. Now, if you remember our trick from the previous questions, you can cancel these guys and cancel those. So you'll end up with 7 to the power of 3 over 10 to the power of 3, which is equal to, now 7 to the power of 3 is 343. If you're not sure, you can use your calculator, and then 10 to the power 3 is just 1,000. So that's how you work out. The process is long, yes, but we're just using the knowledge that we already covered. There's really nothing new that you're applying here, apart from how to do it. Like, you need, first of all, to get rid of the negative power before you start simplifying to end up with a fraction that does not have indices on it. Okay, the last question. You have, first of all, we need to get rid of the negative power. So 64 over 27 to the power of 2 over 3. After that, what you have to do is, it's everything to the power of 2 over 3. So you have 64 to the power of 2 over 3 over 27 to the power of 2 over 3, which will be equal to, now 64 is actually 2 to the power of 6. So 2 to the power of 6 to the power 2 over 3 over 3 to the power 3 to the power 2 over 3, which will be equal to, now that's a 2, and that's a 6. This will be equal to 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 over 3 over 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. We can cancel. 3 and 3 gone. 3 goes into 6 twice. So 3 goes into 6 twice. That's how I'm cancelling it. So you'll end up with 2 to the power of 4 over 3 to the power of 2, which will equal to 16 over 9. And that is how you use knowledge on indices to simplify fractional indices.